Hi everyone, today we're going to be using Dr. D. Schwab's Ginkgo mask, and this specifically helps rejuvenating your skin and restoring moisture. And the reason I'm going to be using this is because I just exfoliated my face, and this is great for after exfoliating. So we're going to apply this generously along our face and neck and let it sit for about 30 minutes. I might do a little longer, that's just a preference. So let's get started. Before applying, make sure your hands are washed and your face is washed so you have a clean base on both ends. So now that it's applied to the face, we're going to start applying a little bit to our neck area. Now that I applied a little bit to my neck and chest area, I'm going to wait the 30 minutes to see how I feel and if I should take it off or not. Hi all, it's been about 40 minutes and now I'm ready to take it off with some warm water and a face towel. So after we have taken off the Ginkgo mask, we are now going to follow with a toner, a serum, and then a moisturizer in that order. You can use any toner, moisturizer, serum from our Dr. D. Schwab line that you're comfortable with and that you enjoy using. Thank you so much for watching my Ginkgo mask application video, and I hope you guys learned some tips and tricks. And if you guys are looking to try it yourself, check out our website. Thanks.